Martin the Poobah and I are here doing practice problems for Module 6. In this video, we'll begin with practice problem number 7.
MgOH2, there's a parentheses for that OH, I don't know what it means.
I do.
Okay.
OH2.
Is the active ingredient in many laxatives. It can be made with the following reaction. Mg solid plus 2H2O.
Mg solid plus
2H2O liquid yields MgOH2 plus solid plus H2 gas.
Like that?
Yeah.
All right. Don't worry about it yet.
Okay.
Okay. So it's a.
If a laxative manufacturer has 3.6 times 10 to the 5 grams of Mg, how many grams of water must be used to have all of the Mg react to form MgOH2? I think that's magnesium. Is that Mg in magnesium?
So if I have 3.6 times 10 to the 5 grams of magnesium, how many grams of water must be used to have all the complete reaction? Okay, so what's the relationship?
It's 1 to 2.
Moles.
Yes.
Okay, so what do I have to do?
Multiply 3.6 times 10 times 2 by 2?
No.
Okay.
How can I relate grams to grams?
Well,
I can't. The only relationship they have here is moles to moles, not grams to grams. So I have to find out the relationship of grams to moles, moles to moles, moles to grams.
Okay,
look,
well, the AMU of
H2O
is pretty simple.
To mole, mole to mole, mole to gram. Do you understand? There's no other way to get there. I can't go gram to gram. I have to go mole to gram. Okay. So first I have to figure out what?
The
molecular weight or the atomic weight of
H2O.
Mg.
Okay, Mg.
Because I have to know how many moles is this.
Okay.
So what's that?
Mg is 24.3.
Okay. So which one? How am I going to set this up? You tell me. I've been telling you for 6 modules. 3.6 times 10 to the 5th grams.
Yes.
Of magnesium times. What's the conversion unit?
36.3. We should write that down.
Okay, just a minute. You're saying that 1 mole equals 36 point what?
0.3.
3 grams of magnesium.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's correct.
So there are 2 conversion units you can make. What are they?
Let's see. So it's.
Tell me what they are first.
It's 1 mole per 36.3 grams, or 36.3 grams per 1 mole.
And what do I want to use here to get moles?
That's the one with moles in the numerator.
So tell me it.
1 mole per 36.3 grams.
Okay, perform the calculation on the calculator, please. If you want to, you can write out.
It's 24.3 actually. The AMU is 24.3.
Oh, 24.3. Thank goodness we solved it.
So now I multiply what by what?
Perform the calculation.
I
what are you gonna?
3.6.
If I were you, I would write that out. It's gonna be easier to figure out your exponents.
It's 360,000.
Yeah.
36, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divided by 24.3. 24.3 equals, okay, 14,814.81481. 14814.814.
Okay, so how many digits? How many significant
2.
digits can I use? I'm limited by 2. So I'm going to report this as 1.5
times, okay, yeah,
1.5 times 10
to the 4th.
10 to the 4th, what?
Moles.
Moles. Okay. That's a lot of moles of Mg. Now,
that's a lot of damage.
I want to figure out how many grams of water I need.
Okay, so that's.
What's the relationship of moles of magnesium to moles of water?
1 magnesium to 2 water.
Right, so it's 1 mole Mg to 2 moles water, or 2 moles water
to 1 mole Mg. In this case, I think we want. Which one do we want?
So, what do I want?
We want 2 moles.
Go back to our strategy. We were going from grams to moles. Now we're going moles to moles. What is this? This is moles of Mg.
So we want.
I need moles of
2
water.
2 moles H2O over 1 mole
right, so
Mg.
multiply 1.5 times 10 to the 4th times 2 moles, and that's moles of Mg. 2 moles of H2O per 1 mole Mg.
So that's 3 times 10.
Okay, so if I write down my units, they would cancel, and I get 3.0 times 10 to the 4th moles of H2O. Am I done yet? No, because I still don't have my grams. So one more final step where I'm going to relate grams to moles of H2O. So I have to go back to my molecular weight.
Okay, it's H. So hydrogen is 1.01 and oxygen is
16.0, and there's 2 of them. Excuse me, there's not 2 of them. The other way around. 2.02 and 16.0 oxygen. Let's try that. So we end up with 18.0 grams per mole of water.
Okay.
Okay, so I know how many moles of water I have. Now I want to figure out how many grams I have, and this is the conversion unit I'm going to use. So I'm going to say 3.0 times 10. Make my writing legible. 3.0 times 10 to the 4th moles of water times 18.0 grams per 1 mole. Okay, so now what?
So now we multiply 18 by 3, and we proceed to get 54 times 10 to the 4, or 5.4 times 10 to the 5.
Good.
Grams of H2O.
Okay. Okay, we're going to pause this, come back with another video.